Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to be replacing the back tail light of a 1997 Ford Taurus. Since this is a whole piece, as you can see, it's a little bit hard to get off, but I'm gonna show you what you have to do. First, you have to remove this one. There's another one right here, another one right here, and then another one right here. Let me take those off, and then you'll see what's underneath. I'll show you what you have to do. Now, using a Phillips screwdriver, you can easily remove these little clips. This one. Once you remove the 4 clips, you can just pull these out. There's 2 clips that you have to pull, so you gotta just pull hard. It should come out. Now, using a 10mm socket, you need to remove 11 volts, this is one of them. That's another one. There's another one right there. I don't know if you can see it good. Another one in the middle. Another one right here. Another one right here. Another one right there. And you can also remove this right here because this is gonna come out. Oops, I broke it. Same thing for this side. So alright, I'm gonna take those screws out. I'm using a drill, which makes life so much easier. This one, 2, 3. I forgot to mention this one's on the ones on the corner. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, and it should come out. Old one's going out, and my used one is going in. I couldn't find it new, so I had to buy it at the junkyard. And now you got, and now you have to repeat everything backwards. So remember, there's 11. So I'm gonna start this. And now the way this one works, you gotta put in this first, and then you just push the other one in. I'm gonna show you. You just put this one, and then you put the last piece. So do that with all the other clips. That's it, guys. This is how to replace a tail light on a 1997 Ford Taurus. Please, if this video helped you, like it, comment, subscribe, and if you want to share this video, you can. And thank you so much. As always, peace.